I've been trying to film these heavy gusts that are coming through. Ouch, I just hit my head on the screen. To give you an idea like how heavy this rain is. My cat's doesn't know what water is, apparently. This is her first storm. She's only seven months. But I'm trying to get some good video of some gusting. There you go. It gets really loud in here when the rain starts hitting the windows and the side of the house. I'm glad my cat's not scared though. She's just trying to figure out what's out there. What can I play with?